Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's close to our hearts: health. You will get to know how you can use carrot for having a better health. Carrot's medicinal properties. What does carrots cure? Carrot medicinal properties. Carrots have valuable medicinal properties. Carrots are a popular vegetable whose valuable medicinal properties are not widely known, which is a pity because carrots have many of them. This entry will teach you what medicinal properties carrots have and what diseases can be treated with this vegetable. Therapeutic effects of carrots. Carrot seed extract has a spasmolytic effect and dilates coronary vessels. In addition, carrots reduce the risk of stroke or heart disease, strengthen immunity to diseases, improve calcium absorption, thus preventing osteoporosis, accelerate wound healing, promote skin health, have a positive effect on teeth and bones. Carrots themselves lower blood cholesterol levels, have anti-atherosclerotic effects, provide vitamins, remove worms such as human roundworms and pinworms. Carrots, therapeutic purposes. Carrots are helpful in diseases such as vitamin deficiencies, anemia, metabolic disorders, coronary heart disease, diarrhea, cardiovascular diseases, hemorrhoids, vision disorders, constipation, liver diseases, kidney diseases. Contraindications to the use of carrots. Carrots should not be consumed by people suffering from acute peptic ulcer disease or intestinal inflammation. In addition, you should not drink more than a liter of carrot juice a day because more significant amounts cause yellowing of the skin. More about the topic of how to use food for health, you will find in my book, course, and my other videos. If you like the video, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a great day and stay healthy.